Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this brand new unit that's in our lineup. It's a 2021 Cruiser 3851BL. On the front of the unit is your battery storage compartment. However, it does offer quite a bit more space for whatever you need to store in there. It's got a huge pass-through basement storage area. As you can see, all of your water connections are here. You do have cable and satellite hookups here. You can open up your valves from here as well. Back here is a really neat feature. This is actually a common feature on the Wolf Pups with the smaller door. However, with this unit, it's got a lifted bed, which I'll show you inside. You do have a ladder for roof access, so you can check your roof every 3 months as recommended by the manufacturer. It's got two large lighted and power awnings. You've got outdoor entertainment, so you've got two outdoor speakers there along with cable and satellite hookups and outlets. Back here is your outdoor kitchen, so it does have the capital grill. This simply folds up. So the stands for it fold up like so. You close the lid, slide it right in, and boom. And then it does have the R-Vision Cube refrigerator. It does have two entryways. So this entryway leads into the second bathroom, which I'll show you inside. And this entry leads into the main living space. We're gonna start off upstairs in the bedroom. So you've got a nice little bench here. It does have a nice large drawer. You've got a dresser, TV. It's got mirrored closet doors. Inside the closet, you do have some shelving space along with place to hang your clothes. There is a washer and dryer hookup, and there are also outlets in here. So you got one over here, one over here. This is where your dryer would go. The bed is on a slide, which offers quite a bit of walk space through here. There are USB ports on each side of the bed. And the reading lamps up above the bed are individually controlled on the switches versus the push button. You have an extra USB port along with another outlet over here as well. Here's your bathroom, so your main bathroom. Of course, you have a toilet. You get some storage over here. Not very wide, but pretty deep. You do have a nice large residential size shower with the brick look. You do get a seat in there and some shelves. And it does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. Over here is your medicine cabinet, and it does have extra shelving. Your vanity. Love these gorgeous countertops. And you do have some storage underneath your vanity as well. All of your controls are right here, right inside the door. Super simple. This unit does have opposing slides, so you got a slide over here and a slide over here, which offers the ability to have an island. In the island, you do have quite a bit of storage. Nice deep drawers here. Nice large single basin sink. Does have a pull down sprayer, and it does have the roll up drying rack along with a sink cover that doubles as a cutting board. On your kitchen slide, as you can see, you get a lot more drawers, very deep drawers. You do have the 3-burner Suburban stovetop and oven. It's a little bit bigger than your standard camper oven. Up above that, you get a microwave along with some more cabinet space. Next to that, you have a nice large Hisense refrigerator, and this is just a gorgeous refrigerator. So the bottom section down here, you get, let's see, this is entirely your freezer. So what's great about this is it does have the drawers, and you can actually set them up where you put, you know, meats, vegetables, whatever in them. And if you check that out, it has an ice maker. Up top here is your refrigerator. Nice large fridge. Now, it looks a little more empty, but that's because they did put all of the shelves right here to protect them for travel. You do have a couple of drawers here along with plenty of door shelves. Over here is your entertainment space. So as you can see, you do get some cabinet space up top. Not very deep, but it does extend the length of the entertainment center. You get a TV and more cabinet space down below. You do have a radio and a gray stone fireplace. On your living slide, you do get a recliner set. There are 4 cup holders in this recliner set. And in the cup holders, you do have a heat setting, massage setting, or I'm sorry, massage heat. It does have LED lights, and it looks like it does have electric recliners. And over here is your booth. This will fold down into a bed, and it does have the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette. And finally, the bunk room. Now you're looking at this thinking, what is this? That is actually the lower bunk, and that's what I was talking about. You do get storage underneath it. So if you needed to store something fairly tall in here, you would be able to do so, because this bunk actually latches in place out of the way. That way you can open up this door and store whatever you need in here. So to let it down, you just pull that pin, and let me step over here out of the way, and then you just push it down. Like so. I'll show you what it looks like all laid out. So before I put that back up, I want to show you, you do get a nice large closet back here as well. Plenty of storage in there. Nice large window, lets in lots of natural light. And I'll go ahead and show you. This actually lifts up very, very easily. So I'm gonna use one finger here. And it lifts up on its own. It's not heavy, easy to manage. You just pin it back in place and you move on. Up above that is a bunk. So as you can see, it does have a nice large ladder that folds up to the wall, so it's up out of the way. You just pull it up and set it out. And up top, you do get some storage. And it has a nice window as well. And finally, back here is your second bathroom, along with your second entry. So as you can see, you do have a nice vanity here, got a medicine cabinet, and over here you do have a toilet along with some storage space. Little awkward shape, but not a bad place to store toiletries and toilet paper, yeah. Or, you know, hide snacks way up there, because I'm pretty short and wouldn't be able to see that. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available for sale, come out to Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.